Which gaming mouse is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right answer. Today, we're diving into the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 after 30 days of use.
Product number 1, Pro X Superlight 2 Wireless Gaming Mouse, black. Let's kick things off with the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 in black. This mouse caught my attention immediately with its sleek design and lightweight build at just 60 grams. Priced at $145.50, it's definitely in the premium range. If you're after top-tier performance in a gaming mouse, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider this mouse? The Superlight 2 features an impressive 8 kHz polling rate, which means your movements are registered almost instantly. If you're in a fast-paced game, that responsiveness can make a huge difference. Plus, with a max DPI of 44,000, you get precision tracking that's hard to beat. It also boasts a battery life of 95 hours, so you won't be scrambling for a charger during crucial gaming sessions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're competing at any level, every millisecond counts. Now, some people pointed out concerns about the price. They mentioned that while it's a fantastic mouse, it might not be accessible for everyone. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about gaming and need reliability, that investment could pay off in performance. This mouse is perfect for you if you're a competitive gamer looking for that edge. Skip this one if you're not keen on investing in a gaming mouse, as there are cheaper options that can do the job. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a different aesthetic. Product number 2, Pro X Superlight 2 Wireless Gaming Mouse, white. Next up is the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 in white, priced at $146.99. At first glance, it looks nearly identical to the black version, but the white finish adds a unique touch. If you want a stylish gaming mouse without compromising performance, this is worth considering. The features are essentially the same as its black counterpart. You're still getting that incredible 8 kHz polling rate and the same Hero 2 sensor with 44,000 DPI. This means you can track movements with the utmost accuracy, crucial for those intense gaming sessions. And just like before, the battery life is impressive, lasting up to 95 hours. This is a great feature for those long gaming marathons when you don't want to deal with constant charging. Now, the downside? Some users mention that the white color can show dirt and smudge.
Product number 3, Pro X Superlight 2 DeX Wireless Gaming Mouse, black. Moving on to the Pro X Superlight 2 DeX in black, priced at $149.99, this version is designed with pro gamers in mind. It has an ergonomic right-handed shape that feels great in hand, especially during long gaming sessions. If comfort is a priority for you, this is worth a serious look. What sets this model apart is its asymmetrical design and programmable side buttons. This allows for total customization based on your gaming style. The Hero 2 sensor gives you the same exceptional performance, tracking up to 44,000 DPI with 8 kHz polling, ensuring you won't miss that crucial shot. Plus, the zero additive PTFE mouse feet offer a super smooth glide for uninterrupted gameplay. Here's why this matters for you. Comfort can directly influence your gaming performance. However, some users found the side button placement a bit awkward at first. I'll be real with you, it takes a little getting used to, but once you adjust, it can enhance your gameplay. This is perfect for you if comfort is key and you want a mouse that feels custom built for you. Skip this if you prefer.
Product number 4, Superglide Glass Mouse Skates. Now, let's talk about the Superglide Glass Mouse Skates. Priced at $24.95, these skates are designed to replace your mouse feet and offer an ultra-smooth glide. If you want to optimize your mouse's performance, these are a solid option. The unique glass material provides a different feel than traditional PTFE feet, allowing for a smoother glide and better stopping power during intense gaming runs. This means you'll have more control, especially in fast-paced games where precision is key. Plus, they're super durable, likely lasting much longer than standard mouse feet. Here's why this matters for you. Upgrading your mouse's feet can genuinely impact your gameplay experience. However, some gamers have said that glass skates can feel slower compared to PTFE feet. Here's the thing, if you're transitioning from traditional skates, it might take a little while to adjust. But once you do, the performance boost is noticeable. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your mouse's glide and performance. Skip this if you're used to the feel of PTFE and not looking to change. For the price, it's a worthwhile investment for serious gamers. Alright, that was an excellent accessory. But if you want something more traditional, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Ice V2 Gaming Mouse Skates. Finally, we have the Ice V2 Gaming Mouse Skates for $12.13. These are a great option if you're looking for a simple upgrade without breaking the bank. If you want a smooth glide for your Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2, this is worth considering. Made from top-grade PTFE, these skates are designed to cut friction and provide a silky smooth feel during gameplay. They feature a 2.5D edge design that can prevent mousepad fraying, ensuring they'll last longer. The premium adhesive keeps them securely in place, which is a big plus. Here's why this matters for you. Less friction means better control, which can be crucial during tense gaming moments. Now, some users have reported that the 3M adhesive can sometimes peel off after extensive use. But honestly, if you apply them correctly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep an eye on them during your gaming sessions. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to upgrade your mouse's performance. Skip this if you're looking for something premium and don't want to deal with replacements. At this price point, it's a smart choice for gamers on a budget.
In summary, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 series is truly impressive, whether you choose the black or white versions. The DEX model offers great ergonomic support, while the glass and PTFE skates can enhance your gameplay. Each has its strengths and best use cases. Choose based on your priorities, and you can't go wrong.